Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today is another day to make an Afro swing beat. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make an Afro swing beat. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. All right, guys. So quickly, I'm just gonna drag in this loop that I have, and shout out to Burnaboy, sending me this amazing vocal, and also the pack is out on Waves. So in case you wanna go check it out, but if you're on the Patreon, you're definitely gonna be getting access to this FLP. But let's just see the vibe we could actually just come up with. This is what the guitar and the vocal sounds like.
Khadija, Khadija, no do me corny, oh. I need ya, give me love and wine for me, oh. Khadija, Khadija. No.
Yeah, so I like the vocals, I like the guitar, I have an idea of the kind of vibe that I want to make. I want to make like an Afro swing vibe. So quickly, the guitar is telling us that it's on a tempo of 100. So the first thing when making your beat is to set up your tempo, man, because if your tempo is not set, what's the vibe you're gonna come up with? So I'm just gonna set my tempo to the tempo of 100. Yep, nice. So that's on key, but I just need 8 bars for the loop, so I'm just gonna cut it out. Yep, just cut out this part because I don't think that's gonna sit well. And we have our vocal, and let's just listen to that.
Khadija, Khadija.
Yep, perfect. Sits on tempo. So what I'm gonna do with this, my vocal, I'm just gonna send it to the mixer and give it like a radio effect, just to give it that, that feel, that radio effect feel. So all that I need to do is just track it. So once I hit track, it goes to the mixer. I'm just gonna bring in my multiband, or basically you could use your EQ. So I'm gonna be using parametric EQ2, and you could just come over to the presets here, and you're gonna see this radio effect preset, and you can just tune it, just adjust it to the way that suits for you. So I'm just gonna play that and let's see what it sounds like. Nice. So I think I like that, and I'm just gonna bring down the gain a little bit, and this also. So I'm just gonna send this also to the same insert as my the other vocal, so we have it on insert 1. So it sounds like this. Nice. So what I'm gonna do also do send my guitar to the mixer, and what I like having on my master is what we call the soft clipper. So I just love having the soft clipper there, so I don't clip. It just makes everything sit well. So I'm just gonna bring in the soft clipper, and that's the fruity soft clipper, and just adjust it. Yep. So for the guitar, I think I just want to take out some of the low end. So I'm just gonna bring in my EQ, and basically for me, I mix my beat as I make it. So whatever sound I'm hearing in my head, I just try to achieve it before going into the next instrument. So I'm just gonna put in my EQ, and I just want to cut out some of the low ends. Nice. So I think I like the way it's sounding, so I could start building this Afro swing beat. But I think before I start bringing in the drums, I'm just gonna layer this with some chords and some bass, just to layer in the vibe. So I'm gonna be using SKY keys, and if you've not watched my video, you can check out this video right here. I just dropped my best preset on SKY keys, Okay, so SKY keys, and I'm just gonna look for a very nice preset and work with that.
Khadija, Khadija, no do me corny, oh. I need ya, give me love and wine for me, oh. Khadija, 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 Khadija.
Yeah, so I think I want to just layer it with some nice chords. So I'm just gonna use these beautiful roads, and when you have a loop like this, some loop has the key information on it, while some loop, you have to look for the the key yourself. So I'm just gonna try to look for the key, because I don't think the key is on this guitar loop. So I'm just gonna try to find the key, because playing it on a wrong key is gonna sound really, really bad. So I'm just gonna look for the key. So let's hit play. Yeah, so we are around the key of G. Yeah, so I think we have our vibe, we have the chords, nice chords. So I can just layer in some bass, like a sub bass to go with it. And let's bring this a little bit. So I'm gonna send this also to my mixer. So before then, I think I can layer it with a drum loop that is just gonna give us, the vibe that we're after. Then so let's just so we'll start with this. Just have this. So I can turn off the metronome now. So we have like a vibe. Yeah, so let me just quickly save this because if you don't save, anything can happen at any time. Yeah, so the next thing I can bring in is my bass. So you could just go over to the synth bass, the clip sign bass. So I'm just gonna turn this down a little bit. Yeah.
Give me love and wine for me, oh. Khadija, don't do me corny, oh. I need you.
Yeah, so I could start layering in some melodies, just play with some melodies, and I'm gonna use SKY keys. Guys, man, forgive me. I just love SKY keys, man. I just have to use it. So let's see what we could add. Some nice, maybe some blocks. So let's just record that. Okay, so let's put that. Let's adjust this. Yeah, like that. So yeah. So I think this is what I want to do. So for this guitar, I think I want to add some reverb on it. I feel like it's dried. Yeah, then maybe I want to add like some trumpets. Yeah, so I like this. Just send it to my mixer. I'm adding some, reverb and echo and delay just to, beautify it. So let's have that. Yes, I think that's too much. Let us have it as this. Vibes. So I think I want my kick to come in here, so we could have our kick. So I'm just gonna go get a very nice kick. Yeah, then we're going to our verse. So let me send my kick to the mixer. I think I would add smack attack to this, what is it called? To that crash, just to add some reverb, to it. I just want to sidechain my kick and my bass, so I just have that clean low end. Come over here, sidechain to this track, come to my bass, and use the fruity limiter. Yeah, so I think I'm feeling what I Am Pusher is doing. Let's see for them. Yeah. I think they'll say loop here. So for this chorus, I can play around with the bass. Let's make it yeah, then just slide it in. Nice. Vibe. I think we have a vibe for now. We have like a very solid vibe, and I'm actually loving this vibe. So let's just listen from the top, guys, and hope this is fire, and I hope you actually got something from this, man. How to quickly make an Afro swing beat. So guys, I hope you got something from this video. If you did, kindly give me a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe. And if you're on the Patreon, you're definitely getting access to this FLP, so you could deconstruct it, use the loops for whatever you want to use it for. I appreciate you guys for your support on the Patreon channel, man. If you are yet to join the Patreon, the link is gonna be in the description of this video, and you can join to get amazing stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.